So found out yesterday, my wife called and said the water was off and we had a water leak. So came home today to try to find it. Usually it's down where it connects to the meter. And I went down there, turned it on, and didn't hear any water running there. Didn't see any water coming up, but it was definitely running through the pipe. So came up to the driveway and got a video. It shows kind of where I found it. And so I decided to dig there in the driveway to see if I could find what I was looking for. And that didn't go so well. Not sure if you can see that, but I think I found the water link. See, it's right in here, straight into the house. Seeing as how I got water running underneath all of this. You see that? So we'll go cut the water off. As I started digging, I dug all the way across here, finally found it. And lo and behold, there it is. There's a joint right there. So I got to get it cleaned up, get that fixed. But it's right in the middle of my driveway. So that's going to be good and soft for a while. And then in the process of cutting water on and off, both of those broke, my cutoffs. So I get to dig those up, fix those as well. So I got a big old mess this morning, but we're making progress and we'll get it fixed. It's going to take some time, but I got a line here that goes straight out to my shop. I'm going to put a cutoff on it in here and then put a cutoff behind that goes to the house, so I can cut the water off if anything breaks beyond that point, and then just get rid of this one altogether over here to the left. So everything will be in the box here in the front. So that's the plan. I'm just taking a break. Been digging. It's nice that the ground's soft and easy to dig, but man, that dirt is heavy. And that shovel right there is about wore me out today. So we'll get everything put back together, hopefully. Get that solved and be able to take a shower today. Big, great day. Well, Dawn got home and helped me finish it up. So we got everything tied in. Of course, it's going to be a mess for a while, but I got that spliced back together. I got all the dirt mounted up on top of it. We'll have to bring some sand in once it settles. Pack it back down good and get it all set. Here, I did have 2 boxes here, and it was a mess. I wasn't much thinking in that process when I built that or put that together. But now I got 2 cutoffs in there, one going to the shop, one going to the house. So now that'll be pretty self-efficient there. Makes a lot more sense to use that setup. So just wait on the rain and everything to dry the ground up, soften it up and let it settle. And then we'll get it all back together. Been working on this since about 9 o'clock and it's 5 o'clock now, so I'm spent. Probably ain't even making sense on what I'm doing, but yep. I'm guessing the weight of the vehicles going across the driveway probably separated that connection and that PEX, because it actually pulled the PEX connector right out of the clamp. So I may end up having to put a metal grate across there to absorb some of that movement of the ground. When it gets soft, it just moves everywhere. So I'll probably do that, strengthen that up, especially just across the water line, because we have pretty good weight coming in here with the campers and stuff to do the harvest host. So, but it'll be set up again. We got water again, so everything's good. So it's been a couple of weeks since we had the freeze, and it got down to -3 degrees here and busted the water line. So wanted to kind of follow up and see how everything went back together. The ground settled a little bit. Of course, I got to bring in some sand and build that up a little bit. But I did put a grate across the driveway and got it all covered back up. And still a little soft. I got another truckload of gravel I'm going to be bringing in as soon as the ground will hold the truck. But that'll build this back up here and we'll be good to go. Just wanted to show you the befores and afters. And this is where we're at right now. So went back together pretty good. Thank y'all for watching, and we'll see you on the next video.